Hello, we are going to make videos about our sax production.
Hello, I'm Isabel.
I'm Courtney.
And I'm Abby.
Gail.
So, here's our sax production.
Sax production.
Sax production starting now.
So,
How's it doing, guys?
Hey, you there.
hey.
You there.
Hey, you there.
You there. Hey, who do you like?
I like Canada.
Oh, who do you like?
Flashlight.
Who else do you like?
Chair.
Who else do you like?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. I'm the only person in the world. I'm the only person in the world.
We're the only people in the world. We're the only people
Hey
in the
guys,
world.
what's up? I have come to no harm.
Okay.
Do you guys want to point call?
Sure.
Okay.